What's going on, guys? It's Jared from Mishimoto, and if you haven't heard yet, we just released our brand new air intake for the GR Corolla. So today we're going to take you out for a drive, compare the sound check between stock air intake versus our Mishimoto air intake, and see what happens. All right, so you guys have heard the sound of the Mishimoto air intake, and it's pretty good. It's really good. I like how it's very subtle. The releasing sound or the boost sounds, it's not overtaking. It's not like that's something that just punches in your face. In my opinion, I like how you can hear it. You can give it some gas. Once you immediately release the gas, you hear just enough boost, which is actually really nice. To me, I'm someone who likes to have like a car or a project car where I can hear the car. I can hear the boost noises, I can hear the exhaust notes and everything. I feel like to me, as someone who likes to drive, that kind of goes into the whole driving experience. So adding an air intake, one, it's an easy mod, and two, it definitely enhances not just obviously performance experience, but total driving experience in general. So now that you guys have heard the differences between the stock intake versus our Mishimoto intake, let's get to the actual facts. So through our own dyno testing here in our facility, you can see some gains in horsepower and torque. If you want to see the results of our dyno testing, read the engineering report on the product page. What's cool about our intake is that we designed it in a way that it won't throw any check engine lights, which can be a very common thing in the GR Corolla. So the way that we designed this to avoid getting a check engine light is that we basically replaced every other part of the air intake except the bottom. Whenever we decided to change out the stock bottom half of the air intake in the GR Corolla, it always threw a check engine light, and that's just what we found during our testing. So we decided to change the other bits around it. For our new GR Corolla Performance intake, we decided to change the ducting themselves along with the top half of the air intake. With the overall changes in design that we have made for the intake, you could see a 42% increase in exiting flow rate and a 10.5% reduction in airflow restriction. Along with that, we do have an injection molded MAF housing, which is oriented to make sure that the MAF sensor is reading correctly. Last but not least, it does maintain cooler intake air temperatures during high-load driving. And that just wraps up this video. So if you're looking to pick up your next mod for your GR Corolla, hit the first link down below in the description, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you all on the next one.